Let's take a quick look at how Git integration for Jira can help you manage your projects and make sure work is going to get delivered on time. What we're going to do is we're going to head over to Signals, and what we'll see here is all your issue progress plotted on a timeline. You'll see the colors change as the status changes, but you'll also see these boxes any day that something changed on the issue and it had activity either in Jira or in your Git repositories. So what's nice is it's really easy to scan here, highlight these days, and if you want to see what the actual activity was performed on by a contributor, we can see that here through the issue box here without actually going to the full issue. And if you have pull requests, you can see here that you can actually see how long those are open for. In this case, it was merged in 5 days, and we have links out to the issue and to the repository if you want more details. So with this view, we're providing lots of data that's typically buried in a bunch of other views. So it's super easy to scan across these issues and find the true status of these issues. So even better than scanning through these issues is actually getting alerted to the issues that need your attention. You'll notice this risk column, and a few issues have alerts here. This is basically telling us something is off track. In this case, the issue hasn't had a status change in more than 15 days. Now, it's really up for you to define what these risk alerts look like, and then they'll automatically flag it for you. So this could be things like the sprint progress is not going as fast as expected. It could be your pull requests are not being reviewed and merged in time. You can come in here and actually customize what these thresholds are, which ones are turned on or off, and actually the severity that'll show in the UI. So this makes it super easy for you to kind of start your day, look at the things that are flagged as issues, and then you can go and address those problems as you see fit. Another nice view is the Teams view. So we'll organize the same information by contributors. So anyone that's touched an issue in a certain date range. This will help you manage workload, understand what people are prioritizing. So if you have key issues that need to be addressed in your sprint and you're relying on someone to do it, you can actually come in here and see their full workload. And then there's also the general tab as well. So if you want to search and filter by issues in progress or across 5 different projects at a time, you could come in here and do that. You can even save your views and come back to them at a later date. So if there's anything you typically like to see every week or every month, you can just come back and retrieve those saved filters.